Let's explore where water flows, from rivers to rain and mountain snow.